Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of activating Hulu on your smart TV using an activation code. Follow these step-by-step instructions to get started quickly and easily. Step 1. Install the Hulu app. First, make sure you have the Hulu app installed on your smart TV. Navigate to your TV's app store and search for Hulu. Once found, download and install the app. Step 2. Open the Hulu app. After installation, open the Hulu app on your smart TV. You will be greeted with the app's welcome screen. Step 3. Sign in or get activated. Choose the option to log in or activate. If you already have an account, enter your credentials. If you are a new user, you may need to create an account via your computer or mobile device. Step 4. Receive your activation code. Upon logging in or selecting to activate, you will see an activation code displayed on your smart TV screen. Make a note of this code, as you will need it soon. Step 5. Visit the Hulu activation site. Using a web browser on your computer or mobile device, go to www.hulu.com, activate. This is where you will enter the activation code. Step 6. Enter the activation code. On the Hulu activation page, input the code displayed on your TV screen in the designated field. Make sure to enter it exactly as shown and then click Activate. Step 7. Confirm activation. Once you have submitted the activation code, return to your smart TV. You should see a confirmation message on the screen stating that your device is now activated. Step 8. Start watching. With your smart TV successfully activated, you can now enjoy all the content available on Hulu. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tutorials.